This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic fit, loft, shaft flex, and ball position. Put the ball forward, just inside your left heel, and tee it so half the ball sits above the crown. Grip neutral and tilt your shoulders slightly away from target to encourage an upward strike. Take 2 practice swings focusing on sweeping the ball, not hitting down. You should feel the club head approach shallowly. If you don't, slightly widen your stance and repeat until that shallow path feels natural. Now you groove the actual motion. Start your transition with hip rotation toward the target so the club drops into a shallower plane. Keep your right elbow working down and close to your torso to prevent casting the club away. This preserves lag and promotes an upward angle. On the downswing, feel the low to high arc. Imagine sweeping the tee off the top. Once done, rehearse with slow swings, watching ball flight and impact mark on the ball for upward contact evidence. Finish by verifying impact and making small corrections. Use impact tape or a spray to ensure you're striking the upper half of the ball and slightly on the crown. This confirms a positive attack angle. If you're still hitting down, shift the ball a hair more forward and increase your shoulder tilt away from the target. Those minor changes encourage an upward strike. Troubleshooting tip: if your ball starts slicing after path changes, close the face slightly at address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.